Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add a spotlight in Snapchat from gallery. If you love creating fun content, you will definitely want to try this. So let's dive in. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. On your screen, you can see spotlight in bottom right corner. Tap on it. Here you will see all the trending and featured posts. Now to upload your own content, then tap on plus button in top right corner. Then you will see two options over there. One is upload a video from camera roll or memories. Second is create. Tap on first one. This will open your gallery. Now select the video that you want to keep in your spotlight. Trim the snap as you like. Then tap on tick button. Now we can add a cool text, stickers or emojis to your post if you want to spice it up. Then tap on preview. And if it's all okay and you are happy with the post, just tap send to. Here you can also add description to your spotlight. After keeping a description, tap on send button on your bottom right corner. It may take some time to add your spotlight in your profile. Once done, head back to your profile. Go to your public profile. Then tap on spotlight. Here you can see your spotlight. That's it, and your content will now be live on your Snapchat spotlight for others to discover, like and share. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.